It's really good to link with people of like minds and like hearts, because you get wisdom and you get information from one another. You know, iron sharpens iron. You know,
facts. You know, iron sharpens iron, man. It's a must.
Blessed love family, real quick, it's my Earth Strong today, and I just thought I'd just come on here and just leave you a few words of upliftment and a few thoughts. So today I'm gonna encourage you to be the energy you want to attract. So you want good energies, good vibrations, you want to be surrounded by goodness, upfulness, then be that person. And if it's difficult being that person, try harder. Try hard enough and never give up. You can be that person. I've done videos before on my channel about ways in which you can raise your vibrations. You can always go back, flip back and go back to those videos. I've encouraged you always to drink your water. Make sure that you consume a lot of energy-enriched foods, mainly foods that are organic. I also encourage you on the channel to utilize your incense and your incense oils. Surround yourselves with beautiful things. And in that way, you will raise your frequency and raise your vibrations. Also, always remember, wherever the positivity is and wherever the positive crowd is, identify yourself and choose to be there so that you may immerse that positivity and you may eventually live and learn and evolve into nothing but a beautiful flower. Like they say, great minds think alike and great minds think differently. You cannot hang out with negative people and expect to live a positive life. And I'll say that again. You cannot hang out with negative people and expect to live a positive life. Remember, family, positivity is not just spoken words. It's an action. So live positive, be upful, and have an upful day. Until my next video, I'm out now. Real Empress Yudah. Blessed love, Rastafari.
His Majesty, peace be upon them. Some of them are warriors. Don't you forsake the